How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Bowers and Wilkins PI7. So this is the flagship true wireless pair of earbuds, and it's got a little trick up its sleeve as well, which we're going to explore and see what you actually get for your money and see what this is all about as well. To start with, we're going to go with what's inside the box. By the way, before I begin, if this is your first time on the channel, please do subscribe, smash the like button as well. Make sure you share it, it does help me out. And yeah, hit the notification as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a new video up on the channel. Let's get on with the rest of the video. This is Bowers and Wilkins flagship true wireless earbuds with so much to like about it. In a world where there are so many good true wireless earbuds, you have to stand out, and the PI7 does exactly that. In the box, you get a quick start guide which tells you what the buttons are, how to pair it with your smartphone, and then you have the Bowers and Wilkins PI7 itself. Underneath that, you have another two pair of silicone tips, and having the right fit makes all the difference. For example, a tighter fit means less movement and fewer sound leaks. For charging, you have a USB-C to USB cable, so you will need a USB-C charging brick, and there's also a USB-C to 3.5mm jack, more on this later. Finally, there's a safety and warranty booklet as well. Inside the case are the PI7s in white and gold finishing, and there's also a charcoal and white version available too. It's a mixture of plastic and some metal bits too, but very minor metal bits. It's super light, and the pre-installed silicone ear tip fits nicely for me. Each one has 3 microphones to help with active noise cancellation. It's dynamic as well, and ambient pass-through. And most importantly, it doesn't stick out much when in ear as well. When you're not using them, you can simply pop them back in the case, and it's secure magnetically. The PI7 will last for 4 hours, and the case offers another 16 hours and can be charged wirelessly using a Qi charging mat. The case can provide 1 hour of playback with just 15 minutes of charge, which is really cool. Each bud is also touch sensitive, so the right side can be used for changing tracks and ending phone calls, for example, whilst the other can be used to activate active noise cancellation and voice assistant. Unfortunately, you can't use it to adjust volume or the level of active noise cancellation, but it is dynamic, so that's okay. It will sense your environment and adjust automatically for you if you have it turned on. The PI7 is powerful with Bowers and Wilkins custom 9.2mm dynamic driver for bass and mid-range frequency in each of the earbuds, and it supports 10Hz to 20kHz. There's also a high frequency balance tweeters, and its dual driver units are powered by dedicated amplifiers. The PI7 uses Qualcomm's aptX codec, and it's easy to reconnect to each music source you have connected. For example, it was super easy to switch between my laptop and iPhone. It supports aptX adaptive, HD, low latency, and classic. And there's also Google Fast Pair as well, so for those pairing with their Android devices, it's super quick. On iOS, you'd have to pair it as you normally would any Bluetooth device. So, how well do they perform? You can take advantage of its high-res audio 24-bit 48kHz, but ultimately it depends on your audio source. Using what I think most people will use it with, so Spotify or Apple Music, it worked really well and it handled most music genres very well. Bass sounds deep but not too overpowering like the Beats wireless earbuds, and mids are clear, and high frequencies helps with clear speech and vocals. Pop the active noise cancellation on and it filters out the surroundings, and it does it very well, but not as good as overhead earphones, understandably. You'll also need to download the Bowers and Wilkins headphone app, which is available on iOS and Android. And using the app, you can do things like turn noise cancellation on or off, or you can even turn on the auto mode as well. Up top, it tells you the battery level of each earbuds and the case as well. You have ambient pass-through, which you can turn up and down in terms of how natural it feels to you. Swipe across, you have your connections, so you can see what devices have been connected previously. You can also then go into soundscapes where you can listen to stuff to help you calm down if you need to do so, so help you relax. And if you swipe across again, you can change the name of it. You can also switch on the wear sensor, so every time you wear it, it can automatically be switched on. One thing that the app is missing, like I said though, is that equalizer setting, so you won't be able to change the sound signature to suit your taste. For phone calls, I had no issues, and my delivery driver says he could hear me clearly, so there's no problem there at all. It's also IP54 dust and water resistant certified, although I wouldn't recommend wearing them for working out, as they might fall out very easily. What it has up its sleeves is the case itself, as well as the indicator light that can flip between green, blue or red to show battery life and Bluetooth connectivity when pairing. It also serves as a wireless transmission sound card, capable of high-res streaming 24-bit 48kHz, also available wirelessly. Using the cable in the box, you can connect in flight, for example, or if you have a device with no Bluetooth connectivity, you can still use it. I particularly use it at the office where I can plug it into my laptop and still have that unparalleled experience it offers. One downside is you can't adjust its sound signature using equalizers, you have to rely on Bowers and Wilkins engineering and your audio source. So that's it for the Bowers and Wilkins PI7 flagship true wireless earbuds. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is it worth the price, or would you still go for like your AirPods Pro or Max or whatever they're calling it? But yeah, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments as well. All relevant links will be in the description area so you can do further research and find out more for yourself as well. But as always, please do subscribe, share it, smash the like button as well, and hit the bell notification if you like more videos like this in your inbox when they are released. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.